dressed up like Joan of Arc, a Walkman and a cigarette. She's sizing that boy up without a doubt. Wolf in pretty clothing, you forget that boy is dangerous, like he don't want you holding at your head. And he's touched almost everything, but you think it could mean something if you could take the hunter home to bed. The hunter home to bed. You'll be the last I ever have. To think I wanted you to worship what you held in bloody hands. You said my body in its single digits took you by surprise. You can't habituate the beast, you teach it how to socialize. I sleep at peace between your hands, just like a mouse would